Welcome to Quiz Factory. Can you guess 50 flags in just 5 seconds each? Let's go! Can you guess this flag? Japan, nice! Did you get it? Which country does this flag belong to? Brazil, that was easy. Do you know this flag? Canada, got it right. Can you identify this country? France, too easy. Which country has this flag? Germany, boom! Nice one. Can you guess the flag? Argentina, did you nail it? Which country does this flag represent? Italy, Mamma Mia! Do you recognize this flag? United States. Can you identify this flag? United Kingdom, not bad. Which country has this flag? Spain, easy, right? Can you guess this flag? Portugal, did you get it? Which country does this flag belong to? Mexico, nice guess. Do you know this flag? Australia. Can you identify this country? South Korea. Which country has this flag? India, too easy. Can you guess the flag? Turkey. Which country does this flag represent? Netherlands. Nice one. Do you recognize this flag? Switzerland. Can you identify this flag? Greece. Which country has this flag? Sweden. Well done. Can you guess this flag? Norway. Got it. Which country does this flag belong to? Denmark. Nice catch. Do you know this flag? Finland, easy one. Can you identify this country? Poland, did you nail it? Which country has this flag? Ukraine, how was that? Can you guess the flag? Belgium, nice guess. Which country does this flag represent? Austria, got that right? Do you recognize this flag? Ireland, lucky guess? Can you identify this flag? South Africa. Which country has this flag? Nigeria. Can you guess this flag? Egypt, too easy? Which country does this flag belong to? Morocco, nice one. Do you know this flag? Saudi Arabia. Can you identify this country? United Arab Emirates. Which country has this flag? Qatar. Can you guess the flag? Pakistan. Which country does this flag represent? Indonesia. Do you recognize this flag? Thailand. Can you identify this flag? Vietnam. Which country has this flag? Philippines. Can you guess this flag? Malaysia. Which country does this flag belong to? Singapore. Do you know this flag? New Zealand. Got it right? Can you identify this country? Colombia. Nice guess. Which country has this flag? Chile. Can you guess the flag? Peru. Which country does this flag represent? Croatia. Well played. Do you recognize this flag? Serbia. Nice catch. Can you identify this flag? Czech Republic. Which country has this flag? Iceland. Cool. Got it?